Cluster Guidelines. Here are some guidelines to consider for optimizing the use of clusters in the QDS platform. QDS keeps a cluster running as long as there are active sessions using the cluster resources. QDS auto-terminates clusters when no jobs are running on a cluster for a configured timeout period. No active session is attached to the cluster. Cluster is unhealthy due to many reasons, like there are no nodes in a running cluster, or the resource manager does not exist, etc. When terminating a cluster manually, administrators and power users must check the command status and job status to ensure that no command is running before terminating a cluster. Also, it can be helpful to create a notification channel, such as email, Slack, PagerDuty, and Webhook for the cluster, so that administrators and power users receive notifications on success, failure, or health check of the cluster. Keep track of the lineage of cluster configurations and compare it to the QCU or node versus time chart at each instance level to understand the impact of the cluster configuration tuning. Notify the administrator if you observe performance issues in query execution so that they can debug and eliminate the suspected root cause.